Foster's architectural journey kicked off at the University of Manchester, where he ditched his textbooks for dreams of sleek modern buildings made of steel and glass. You could say his training was like the foundation for a super stylish skyscraper, preparing him for some seriously impressive feats in the future. Fast forward to today, and his firm, aptly named Foster & Partners, has been cranking out iconic projects for over 5 decades. Seriously, they're like the rock stars of the architecture world, tuning up urban landscapes all over the globe. And honestly, you've probably seen these buildings in your Instagram feed without even realizing it. Talk about fame. And let me tell you, this guy has won more awards than I've received college emails reminding me to pay tuition. Foster snagged the prestigious Pritzker Architecture Prize back in 1999, which is basically the Nobel Prize of Architecture. I mean, if they gave out Oscars for floor plans, he'd be sweeping up. But wait, there's more. Over his illustrious career, Foster has racked up more than 470 awards. That's more trophies than I have cups in my kitchen that I haven't washed. Seriously, the man's impact on architecture and design is off the charts. Recognition is not just part of his job description, it's practically his middle name. Now, let's dive into some of his most notable projects. Like the Sainsbury Center and the Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation headquarters, both of which scream high-tech architectural dreams. These buildings are like modern art pieces that remind us that concrete can be sexy too. Then there's the Apple headquarters in California, which takes ambitious to a whole new level. With its advanced sustainable technologies, this building isn't just a pretty face, it's like the eco-friendly superhero of the architectural world, showing that innovation and Mother Earth can totally be best buds. The London City Hall is another masterpiece, embodying the spirit of democracy. With its transparent design and energy efficiency, it's like the building really wants us to know, hey, I'm here for the people. And let's not forget, it houses over 15,000 employees without leaving a huge carbon footprint. Take that, environmental guilt. And who could overlook the Gherkin? This quirky landmark is not just a snack for the eyes, it's designed with energy efficiency in mind. It reduces wind deflection and encourages social interaction. Because honestly, when will you ever meet anyone new if you're all holed up inside your cubicle? The Millennium Bridge is a pedestrian paradise, connecting some of London's cultural hotspots. Sure, it had a shaky start, and I'm not just talking about the wobbling. But the unique design eventually won everyone over, kinda like that awkward friend who finally nails the dance moves at a party. Now, let's get a little historical with the Reichstag building, a symbol of German reunification. It features a stunning glass dome that represents transparency and hope, almost like a giant architectural selfie that says, "Look at us, we're united." Plus, its reconstruction highlights how important it is to preserve our history while moving forward. Talk about a balanced approach. And last but certainly not least, we have the Torre del Calcerola, created for the 1992 Barcelona Olympics. This beauty melds into the landscape while enhancing communication. I guess you could say it respects the surroundings while shouting, "Look at me, I'm fabulous." Finally, we can't forget the HSBC Hong Kong headquarters, a skyscraper that's basically the architect's equivalent of a power suit. With its innovative external elevators and design that marries feng shui with modern functionality, it's a head-turner. I mean, when your building can give off good vibes along with a killer aesthetic, you know you've made it.